Hey guys, another quick video from Adam at POTN here. Really exciting one today. We got a request in from Kieran, thanks for the comment, to unbox a B14 for his Polo. So here we are. He's actually brought this now, which is even better. So this is a B14 kit for the Polo 6R6C. Amazing product, I really can't wait to get it out. Bilstein, if you didn't know, is real motorsport through and through. Been around for years. They've been on old school F1 cars, they're now working on OE cars. You can find them on supercars, the Nissan GTI, the R35, all from factory. They really are entwined with everyone that's doing something now. So this is their aftermarket kit, it's the B14 kit, which is a height adjustable coilover kit. I just wanted to get it off the shelf. Let's have a look. We can show you what you're getting. Amazing product, and just kind of go through some of the details. And if you've got any questions, just let us know in the comments below. So it comes in a nice big box. I always say we do like a big box here at POTN. It's going to come in a lovely big box. We love a big box here at POTN. Try and get it open. Might have to cut it a bit. Lots of packaging to protect it as it's in travel. First thing you get is, let's have a look. Nice little instruction booklet, nice and easy. Coilovers are a fairly standard thing to install, but it's always worth checking the instructions. Tells you what car it fits on the front, and then also goes into detail about the TUV there, and it also goes into detail about installing, setup and getting it in the right places. So very much worthwhile having a look at them. Now what else do you get in here? Starting with the really important stuff, you get the Bilstein stickers. You've got to represent this brand, incredible brand as we've been saying. So the instructions and stickers, it's not a bad start. Let's look at the juicy stuff now. So it comes well packaged, just like we like to see. For an expensive product like this, it's worth the money. We do like it to be well protected. So I'm going to dismantle it slightly so you can see how it arrives within the bubble wrap. But you've got the front springs there. Let's pull them off. So it comes with the Bilstein made springs, incredible springs, comes in their classic blue. You know what you're getting with Bilstein when it comes in their colours, amazing. And then it comes with the monotube shock absorber, perfect, exactly what you want. Let's pull this bit of protection off there. So it comes with a simple Bilstein damper, it comes with adjusters here, comes with a threaded shock, and then it comes with the dust covers as well. It comes with the top nut, everything that you're going to need. Lovely, feels great. That was a lot of stuff. So finally got it all out. So I thought I'd just quickly go through the details here. So we've got front springs, comes in the classic Bilstein colour. You know exactly what you're getting. Comes with the monotube shocks with the threaded height adjustability there. Comes with the spring platform, the adjusters. Here's the thread. Some nice dust covers protecting the quality Bilstein rod. Goes up to the top shaft, and then got the top nut there. One of the reasons I really like Bilstein is it's designed to work completely with all the OE stuff, which means it comes with all the brackets, all the fittings, which means it's going to integrate lovely with your existing setup, and it's going to work perfectly fine. It's one of the top reasons Bilstein does so well. So 2 front shock absorbers. Moving on to the rear springs, these are actually upside down, so they would be like this. Comes with the, again, lovely Bilstein colour. Comes with these covers that go over the spring itself. This avoids any kind of noise from rubbing, clattering if you're adjusting quite low. And again, comes with the rear adjusters there, which gives you the adjustment on the rear. Perfectly easy to use, quite similar to how the front works, but on their own. And comes with all the kind of seals and bearings there, giving it a bit of extra protection. And then onto the rear shock absorbers. This comes in the classic Bilstein yellow. Everyone loves the Bilstein yellow, can't get over enough. You would need to use your original dust covers with this, and again the whole setup does use your existing top mounts, which is a fantastic option. A lot of people are like, well, why doesn't it come with top mounts? It makes it really easy to integrate with multiple platforms, and it also means that you kind of keep some of that OE feel when on the road. The top mounts, when they're supplied by OE, will still be usually made out of rubber, a nice comfortable drive, and not going to be bone shaking just from the coilovers in like a solid top mount or something. So amazing option really. And it also keeps the price down, which is fantastic. So that's the rear shock absorbers. So you also get the C-spanners as well. Look at all the paperwork you get through. I've kind of gone through a couple of the booklets already, but lots of stuff in this kit. So this is kit number 47-168091, which is the B14 kit for the Polo 6R6C. Also fits things like the Audi A1. We can put some details in the description below, please do check it out. It's available on Bilstein Suspension Store, which is powered by POTN. It's pretty much in stock all the time, so do just give us a hit up on the website, or do please contact us below and we'll happily get you in touch and with the sales team, and we can sort you out. If there's anything you do want to know about the kit, it's a special kit, then do just give us again a comment and we can let you know what it is. If you want to check it out, check on the website, just search part number 47-168091, that's 47-168091. I'm having to look down because I keep forgetting the part number, it's like our 5th take. So Bilstein's German made, which means it needs TUV to be on the road over there. So pretty much all of their applications, unless it's for a race use, rally use, or whatever, Bilstein's a German product, which means that to be on the road over there, it's got to be TUV certified, which means unless it's race use, rally use, or something quite obscure, then it will have TUV. So like this one, it's got TUV, which had TUV documents in there. It's also available to download from bilstein.com. So within that, it means that it can only have certain lowering amounts. Now it doesn't mean that it's limited to that, it just means that's what it's TUV for. So this one actually is only TUV'd up to 35mm lowering. However, that's not very low for a coilover, but here in the UK we don't need to worry about that, so you'll be able to use the full adjustability on this and it will go much lower. We'll get some before shots of Kieran's Polo and we'll show some shots when it's got after as well, and we can show you that in a future video. So if you haven't seen it already, please do check out bilsteinsuspensionstore.co.uk. Like I said, Bilstein Suspension Store is powered by POTN, which means you've got the fantastic sales team and the experience of the guys downstairs. We sell the full Bilstein range, so this includes B4s for OE replacement, B6 for sport road use, B8s if you were going for a fast road setup with lowered springs. We've got B12 on there, which partners the B8 with an I-back spring. We've got the B14 spring, B14 coilover kit, which is a fantastic kit like this. We also do the B16 kits, which is a height adjustable kit with damping adjustability as well. So it'll be similar to this, but you'll be able to adjust the damping rates. And then we do much more. We can also help you put in the right direction of rebuilds. We can help you put in direction if you're doing rallying. Just get in contact with you. We can really help your suspension needs. And then partnered with our iBackshop.co.uk, we can really help you get that spring and damper combination perfect for any application and for pretty much any use, whether it be road, track, weekend warriors on the track day, whichever you want. So do check it out. That was bilsteinsuspensionstore.co.uk. So Kieran got in contact with us and wanted to see us unboxing the B14. He's been considering it for his Polo GTI. He's currently running some I-back springs on there which are perfect, but he's looking at going a bit more hardcore. He wants something a bit more firmer. He wants to take it on the track a little bit, and the springs just aren't cutting it for him. The springs are perfect in our opinion, but let's look at the B14. B14 just takes it up a grade there. It's a height adjustable only kit. We really do a full range, so that little GTI is going to become a real weapon on track. It'll be like a go-kart, it'll be handling so well. Partnered with other mods that he's got on there. He's told us he's got PowerFlex fitted, he's doing some engine remaps, and he's got an intake system fitted. So it's going to be a real kind of change of car, going from springs to a coilover, and he should really see the benefits when he's taking it on track in the future, and when he's going around those A roads, depending on how high he goes, he'll really feel the benefits there as well. So yeah, really good kit. If there is anything that you do want to see, again, please do drop us a comment, and if you haven't already, please do like and subscribe, hit that notification button. It would really enjoy making this content for you. And yeah, enjoy the video guys. See you on the next one.